In today's fast-paced world, juggling multiple projects, teams, and deadlines can feel like a constant tightrope walk. You're likely searching for a tool that can bring order to the chaos, a digital assistant that's more than just a spreadsheet. Enter Smartsheet. Often described as a powerful, collaborative work management platform, Smartsheet offers a unique blend of spreadsheet familiarity with robust project management capabilities. But what exactly is it best used for? As a project management expert, I've seen Smartsheet transform how teams operate. Let's dive deep into its core strengths and explore the myriad ways it can empower you and your organization. Moving beyond basic spreadsheets, the Smartsheet advantage. Before we delve into specific use cases, it's crucial to understand what sets Smartsheet apart from traditional spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheets. While those tools are excellent for data analysis and basic organization, Smartsheet elevates work management through real-time collaboration. Multiple team members can work on the same sheet simultaneously, seeing updates instantly. This eliminates version control nightmares and fosters seamless teamwork. Dynamic views. Smartsheet allows you to visualize your data in various formats beyond simple rows and columns. Think Gantt charts for project timelines, Kanban boards for task management, and calendar views for scheduling. Automation capabilities. Automate repetitive tasks like sending reminders, updating statuses, and triggering workflows based on specific criteria. This saves valuable time and reduces manual errors. Integration with other tools. Smartsheet seamlessly connects with a wide range of popular business applications, including Microsoft Teams, Slack, Google Workspace, and Salesforce, streamlining your workflows across platforms. Robust reporting and analytics. Gain valuable insights into your projects and team performance with customizable reports, dashboards, and metrics. The sweet spots where Smartsheet truly shines. Now, let's explore the specific areas where Smartsheet proves to be an invaluable asset. 1. Project management. From simple tasks to complex initiatives. At its heart, Smartsheet is a powerful project management tool. It allows you to plan and schedule projects, break down projects into manageable tasks, assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and track progress visually using Gantt charts. Manage resources. Allocate team members to specific tasks, monitor their workload, and identify potential bottlenecks. Track budgets and expenses. Monitor project costs, compare actual spending against planned budgets, and generate financial reports. Manage risks and issues. Identify potential risks, track their impact, and collaborate on mitigation strategies. Log and manage project issues, assigning ownership and tracking resolution. Facilitate communication. Share project plans, updates, and documents in a central location, keeping everyone informed and aligned. Use comments and discussions directly within the sheet for contextual communication. Whether you're managing a small marketing campaign, a complex software development project, or a large-scale construction endeavor, Smartsheet provides the flexibility and features you need to stay on track. 2. Task and workflow management. Streamlining everyday operations. Smartsheet isn't just for formal projects. It's also excellent for managing recurring tasks and establishing efficient workflows. Task lists and assignments. Create clear task lists, assign owners, set due dates, and track completion status. Approval workflows. Automate approval processes for documents, requests, and changes, ensuring accountability and reducing delays. Content calendars. Plan and schedule content creation and publishing across various platforms. Onboarding and offboarding processes. Streamline employee onboarding and offboarding with automated task assignments and checklists. Help desk ticketing. Manage and track support requests, assign them to agents, and monitor resolution times. By automating routine tasks and providing clear visibility into workflows, Smartsheet helps teams work more efficiently and consistently. 3. Collaboration and communication. Breaking down silos. Effective collaboration is crucial for any successful team. Smartsheet fosters this by centralized information hub, providing a single source of truth for project plans, tasks, documents, and communication. Real-time updates. ensuring everyone has access to the latest information, eliminating confusion and misunderstandings. Shared workspaces, creating dedicated spaces for teams to collaborate on specific projects or initiatives. Comments and discussions, enabling contextual communication directly within the relevant tasks or rows. Sharing and permissions, controlling access levels to ensure the right people have the right information. Smartsheet breaks down communication silos and empowers teams to work together seamlessly, regardless of their location. 4. Data collection and analysis, gathering insights for better decisions. Smartsheet offers powerful features for collecting and analyzing data. Forms, create custom forms to collect data from internal teams, clients, or stakeholders. Data automatically populates your Smartsheet. Reports, generate customizable reports to visualize key metrics, track progress, and identify trends. Dashboards, create interactive dashboards to provide a high-level overview of project status, team performance, and other critical information. Data validation and formulas, ensure data accuracy and perform calculations directly within your sheets. Integration with BI tools, connect Smartsheet with business intelligence tools for more advanced data analysis and visualization. By providing robust data collection and analysis capabilities, Smartsheet empowers you to make data-driven decisions and continuously improve your processes. 5. Resource management, optimizing team capacity. Efficiently managing your team's capacity is vital for project success. Smartsheet helps you track resource allocation, see who is working on what and their current workload, identify over- and underutilization, balance workloads and prevent burnout, forecast resource needs, plan for future projects and ensure you have the right people available, manage time off and availability, account for team members' time off when scheduling tasks. Effective resource management through Smartsheet ensures that your team skills are utilized effectively and projects are staffed appropriately. 6. Content management, organizing and tracking digital assets. Smartsheet can also be used to manage and track digital content. Document libraries, store and organize important project documents and files. Version control, track changes to documents and ensure everyone is working with the latest version. Approval workflows for content, route content for review and approval before publication. Metadata tagging, add tags and keywords to content for easy searching and organization.